In this video, I'm going to show you the best online jobs for beginners in 2025 that will pay you hundreds of dollars per week. And guess what? You won't need any previous experience to do these tasks. So, if you're a complete beginner looking to make some extra cash or even replace your 9-to-5 job, then this is the perfect video for you. Just watch until the end because I've saved the best online jobs for last. But before we dive into the video, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Also, please take 3 seconds to comment down below. Let me know which country you are watching from. Now, let's get started. The first online job that I want to talk about is microtasks. This is one of the easiest online jobs that anyone can do because all you have to do is complete small tasks such as taking surveys, testing websites, or transcribing audio files. These tasks are typically only a few minutes long and can be done on various platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, ClickWorker, or Prolific. As a beginner, it may take you some time to learn how to navigate these platforms. But once you get the hang of it, you can make a decent amount of money without any experience. So, how much money can you actually make from microtasks? Well, the earning potential varies depending on the platform you use and the types of tasks you complete. On average, you can expect to earn anywhere from $5 to $15 per hour. Although it's not the highest paying online job, it's still a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. The best part about microtasks is that you can work at your own pace and choose which tasks to complete. It's a flexible and easy way to make money online. Now, let's move on to the next online job that I highly recommend for beginners, which is data entry. Data entry involves inputting data into a computer system or database. It's a simple task that doesn't require any special skills or experience. You could be entering customer information, product details, or any other type of data into a spreadsheet or database. This is an essential part of many businesses and organizations, and that's why there's always a high demand for reliable data entry specialists. To get started with data entry, you can look for job postings on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Guru. Many businesses and individuals are looking for freelancers to help them with their data entry needs. You can also reach out to local businesses in your area and offer your services as a data entry specialist. When it comes to how much money you can make from data entry, it depends on your experience and the complexity of the tasks. As a beginner, you can expect to earn around $10 to $20 per hour. With experience, you can increase your rates and potentially earn up to $30 per hour or more. If you're good with numbers and have a keen eye for detail, then data entry could be the perfect online job for you. It's a great way to earn some extra income without needing any special qualifications. Another online job that's ideal for beginners is virtual assisting. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative support to clients remotely. Tasks can include scheduling appointments, managing email, handling social media accounts, or providing customer support. The great thing about being a virtual assistant is that you can work from anywhere in the world and set your own hours. You can choose to work part-time or full-time and work with multiple clients to create a diverse income stream. To become a virtual assistant, you don't need any special qualifications or experience. However, it helps to have strong communication and organizational skills. To find virtual assistant jobs, you can check out websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Virtual Assistant Jobs. You can also network with other professionals and let them know that you're available for hire as a virtual assistant. When it comes to earning potential, the sky's the limit. As a beginner, you can expect to earn around $15 to $25 per hour. With experience, you can raise your rates and work your way up to $50 per hour or more. If you're looking for a flexible and rewarding online job, becoming a virtual assistant could be the perfect fit for you. Next up is graphic designing, which involves creating visual concepts and designs for clients. This can include creating logos, brochures, social media graphics, or website designs. If you're someone with a creative flair and an eye for design, then this could be the perfect online job for you. You don't necessarily need formal qualifications or experience to get started as a graphic designer. There are plenty of online resources and courses that can teach you the skills you need to get started. Websites like 99 Designs and Design Crowd allow you to showcase your portfolio and bid on design projects. As a beginner, you may need to take on more projects to build up your portfolio and experience. But as you gain more experience, you can increase your rates and work on bigger projects with higher payouts. With hard work and dedication, you can earn a substantial income as a freelance graphic designer. Moving on to another fantastic online job for beginners, we have web development. Web developers are responsible for building and maintaining websites for businesses and organizations. They work on both the front end and back end of websites, ensuring that they function properly and provide a great user experience. While it's true that web development is a highly technical field, it's also one that offers a high earning potential and excellent job security. You don't necessarily need a college degree to become a web developer. There are plenty of boot camps and online courses that can teach you the skills you need to succeed. One great place to start is with free online platforms like Codecademy and Khan Academy. Once you've learned the basics, you can start building your portfolio by creating your own website or contributing to open-source projects. To find web development jobs, you can check out websites like LinkedIn and Indeed. With experience, you can work your way up to senior web developer positions with higher pay and more responsibilities. All right, now let's talk about one of the most popular online jobs for beginners, which is content writing. Content writers create written content for websites, blogs, articles, and various online platforms. They research, write, and edit engaging and informative content on a variety of topics. If you have a passion for writing and a knack for research, then this could be the perfect online job for you. You don't need any special qualifications or experience to get started. Many content writing jobs can be found on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. You can also reach out to businesses and organizations directly and offer your services as a content writer. As a beginner, you can expect to earn around $15 to $25 per hour. With experience and a strong portfolio, you can increase your rates and earn up to $50 per hour or more. Lastly, I want to talk about one of the most exciting online jobs for beginners, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on any sales they generate. They work with businesses to create unique affiliate links that track clicks and conversions. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product or service to start earning commissions. You can promote products from established companies and earn a percentage of the sale. To get started with affiliate marketing, you can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. You can also sign up to be an affiliate for individual businesses and reach out to them directly. Earning potential as an affiliate marketer varies depending on the products you promote and the traffic you generate. With hard work and dedication, you can earn a significant income through affiliate marketing. So, there you have it, guys. These are some of the best online jobs that you can start today without any experience. Remember, you don't need to be a tech genius or have a fancy degree to make money online. All you need is a little bit of effort, some determination, and a willingness to learn new skills. If you've watched up to this point, I really appreciate it. Please take 3 seconds to comment down below. Let me know which online job you're going to try first. Smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And I wish you all the best in your online journey. See you in the next video.